Going on here is it says Marcus throws a football straight up in the air and it reaches a maximum height of 20 feet and then descends back to the ground. So if I'm reading this correctly, the maximum height occurs right here, right around here at a maximum height of 20 feet. So that would be about 20 feet. Okay, and then I'm going to make some assumptions here that we are going to, so the 20 feet goes right here. And then I'm going to make some more assumptions. I'm going to guess that we're probably, the x-axis is going to be some sort of measurement of time, and then also that the y-axis is probably going to be some sort of measurement of feet, because that's what the maximum height is. I also want to point out that this is a maximum height, and we learned that, the other day. And also this is what we would call a quadratic equation, because it has that parabolic shape. Okay, and remember, quadratic looks like this. F of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. And what we were asked to do in this particular thing was label what is the independent variable and what is the dependent variable. So I think that time, obviously, time is going to be my independent variable because it's on the x-axis, and then feet would definitely be what we call the dependent variable.